Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the change where it matters, your device contacts. Open your phone's contacts or phone app, then locate the number you want removed. Once found, tap Edit and delete the phone entry. This is the authoritative record that WhatsApp syncs. Make sure WhatsApp has contacts permission in settings so it can see that deletion. After removing the contact, switch to WhatsApp and pull down to refresh contacts. Otherwise, the app may still show cached entries. Once the contact is deleted from your device, force WhatsApp to accept that change. First, backup chats if you want a copy. Go to Settings, right arrow Chats, right arrow Chat Backup. Then clear the app cache on Android or on iPhone, close and reopen the app to drop cached contact data. Restarting the phone helps the system resync contacts. After relaunching WhatsApp, open contacts and confirm the deleted name no longer appears. This step ensures the app and the phone agree. To finish, remove any remaining chat thread. Open the conversation, tap the menu, choose More, then delete chat to clear local history. If the contact still shows, check synced accounts like Google or iCloud. Duplicates there will reappear in your phone's address book, so delete them too. If problems persist, sign out or uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. Restore your chat backup afterwards. This often fixes stubborn cache or sync glitches. Make sure backups exist before reinstalling to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.